A man from Assam who was admitted at the isolation ward of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Lamphel, Imphal has been confirmed coronavirus negative by Guwahati Medical College yesterday. With the result, the state has no report of coronavirus case so far. Fighting Against Drug Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Khomido Khabisoi arrested a drug peddler along with 264 SP capsules last night nearby Haingang Garden under the jurisdiction of Haingang Police Station. Later, committee volunteers handed over the arrested to Haingang Police for further legal action. Manipur contingent participating at the upcoming 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 in Assam's Sibsagar have left Imphal today. The championship will begin on 12th of this month till 15 March next. The Mizoram government would seal all international borders and ban foreigners after the deadly coronavirus has infected at least 40 people in the country, officials said. As per reports, the decision came a day after the opposition Congress asked the state government to seal the Indo-Myanmar border in Champhai district.